afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 40%. Saturday night, not as warm. Clear. Lows around 60. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Sunday night, clear. Lows in the mid-50s. Monday, sunny. Highs around 80. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for today, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Northwest winds 5.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota, has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to regular programming.
Now here is the